In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix latency and ping spikes in Path of Exile. So first, you need to open CMD, run as administrator, and then here you'll type int IP reset and then press enter. Then type net winsock reset, then ipconfig / register DNS, then ipconfig / release, and lastly ipconfig flush DNS. After you enter all of these commands, you can just close this down, then go to device manager. Here you'll see network adapters. So if you're using a cable Ethernet, you'll just have to update this driver. So update it through here, choose the latest one, and then click next to update. If you're using like a wireless, then you update this option here. Do the same step to just update this one. This one is for wireless Wi-Fi. And after you do this, you want to go here to settings. And here you want to type in network. So here you'll go to network, so network reset. So you will click reset now. So once you do this, you can close this down and this should fix it.